Hello students, today we are going to study about the function of heart. You are aware heart is the pumping structure of our circulatory system. So if we observe the blood circulation taking place through different parts of body, it is maintained due to pumping action of the heart. And you know the average lifespan of heart is 70 years, means it is continually working for 70 years and it is continually working pumping blood to different parts of body. So in this lecture we will try to understand how it is functioning, means first we will try to understand its pumping action, and then we will also try to understand how this pumping action is taking place. So we come to this video. Here we can see it is the pumping action that is commonly observed in any heart. So if we come to this part, here you can find these lower two parts are the ventricles and the upper two are the atria. Here you can see the right part of the heart is always pumping the deoxygenated blood represented with blue color, and the left part of the heart is always pumping oxygenated blood which is represented by the red color. But for all these function, means how it is working for this, that requires some sort of contraction. This contraction is requiring some impulse. That impulse is generated in the pacemaker, and from that there is a group of muscle fibers, and these muscle fibers are working for transmission of all these impulse. So if we come to all this part, here we can find there are some of the fibers in the atrial wall, there are some of these fibers into the ventricular wall, but overall if you see, this impulse is generated by pacemaker, but pacemaker is the common name. Its scientific term is here the SA node. That SA node stands for sinoatrial node. This SA node is present in the wall of right atrium. So from that you can see it is a group of special muscle fibers, and these can generate impulse. The impulse generated from there comes to the AV node. From that AV node it comes into some thick fibers, and these thick fibers are finally working for branching into different parts. So if we come to all these structures, we can find this thick fiber which is named as bundle of His. Through this it is coming to all these thin fibers which are called as Purkinje fibers. You can find there is maximum number of Purkinje fiber in the left ventricle, because left ventricle has to pump blood to all over the body. Here if you observe these different parts, always we find deoxygenated blood in the right part of heart and oxygenated blood in the left part of heart. What it shows, it is shown in terms of the blue and the red color. So this way the heart is working here. This continuity of pumping action always takes 0.8 second to complete its one circuit, and this duration of 0.8 second is called as the cardiac cycle. So today we have understood about this pumping action, and then in the next lecture we will study about the cardiac cycle. Thank you very much.